what's up, what's happening, what's going on, wagwan and hola. I am Tiffany and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hey. If you're not, what's up? Alright, so this is a two-part video. I just filmed part one, which is a huge haul on a whole bunch of chocolate my flesh tone colored clothing pieces. So go check that out. I will link that in the description below. But yes, so this is part two, and I have about 3 pairs of boots that I want to show y'all that I got from Pretty Little Thing. So here is the bag. Here is the bag, and let's get to it. Okay. So like Christmas, because I ordered all this stuff a long time ago and I don't remember what I got. The first item, so I almost had a mini heart attack because I look at the box and it says size 8 and I'm like, size 8? I wear between a size 9 and a 10 shoe, so it depends on the fit, but 9, 9.5, 10, that's my range. But this box says size 8 and I said, oh hell nah. So I took the boot out. Look on the bottom of the boot, it says 8. I'm like, what the hell? They definitely say size 8 right here, and they say size 8 right here. So anyways, I put the boot on and it fits. So I don't know what's going on with that. I don't know if I should take the camera up and show you. I don't know, but I got the shoe on. Okay, so here is the boots. It fits my foot. It's cute. It's cute. It's giving me cute, baby. The boots are giving me everything that I need, baby. Okay. Okay. Yes. I didn't zip them up all the way, but they're definitely not a size 8. They're definitely my size, and they definitely look good as fuck. These are called the Chocolate Snake Point Toe Flat Heel over the knee boots, but they didn't go over my knee. I think my thigh's a little too thick for these, but they were $50. But they're cute. They're cute though. Next, oh yeah, it's getting hot. I had to stand up because I'm moving around putting these shoes on. Okay, so the next pair are these cute little babies right here. Cute, right? Must be European sizes because this one says 8 as well, and I'm like, hold up now, wait a minute. Wait a minute now. Let me try it on. Oh. Oh. Sorry, y'all, my fan. Oh, too much going on with the shoes. This is my first time doing a shoe. Yeah, these are my size. These are definitely my size. So I guess they size it like European sizes or Italian or something. Ouch. Oh yeah, these cute, sweetie. Man, he's cute, baby. I'm looking a little taller right now, baby, because I got my shoes on, my boots. I have on the brown snake metal heeled boot. Let me show you what they're looking like on my foot. Let's move it out to the bathroom. Yeah, I see it. So you see that, baby. Gotta do the pigeon toe. But yes, these are cute. Okay, I like these. They're comfortable too. Ooh, get back in my space, my filming space. So yes, both pair of shoes so far are very, very comfortable. Look real good on my foot. Got my legs and ankles looking real. I think I changed my mind now that I'm standing up in these snakeskin metal, whatever, the metal heel shoes. My feet kind of hurt a little bit. So I thought they was comfortable at first, but now I'm like, yeah, I don't know. Let me see. Yeah, like the ball of my feet is like uncomfortable. So these will definitely be a shoe that you wear like going out to dinner, going out to eat, somewhere where you're gonna be sitting down. Okay, not standing up, not doing the most, not getting low, busted challenge, not doing a cry baby, none of that, baby. This is for you got to sit down looking real perched, real cute, baby, because anything else your feet gonna be hurting. but they cute though. All right, so the last boot is the black removable upper knee high heeled boots. Okay, and it's looking like this. Size 41. So yeah, I really like this boot because it has like a little button right here. Snap it and it goes from a high boot to a low boot. Isn't that cute? Yes, 2 different outfits, 2 different looks, baby. Let me try these on. I'll be right back. Okay, it's fitting good, fitting good. Let's put the other one on. Right now they're feeling kind of comfortable. Oh shit, I gotta put, hold on. I went ahead and put both pairs of shoes on. I have one with the removable part on, and one without the removable part on. So let me show y'all what we looking like. Okay, let me go in the other area. That's the removable on and the removable off. So put them right on the side, and I didn't zip it up, but then that. So that's what it's looking like. I like these. Very convertible, you know. Go with the flow. Like, what we doing today? Is we going high? Are we going low? Okay, what we doing? I like these. So yes, y'all, let me sit back down. Let me get back professional. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed this shoe haul video. I got 3 pairs of fabulous boots, y'all. Hope y'all liked each one. Comment below which one did y'all like best, the first one, the second pair, or the third pair. Let me know what y'all think. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Check out the part 1 haul, and don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe to my channel, y'all. Tell a friend and tell a friend, tell a friend, and I will see y'all next time. Later.